Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to customize branding in Stripe checkout. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To begin, sign into your Stripe account. Once you are inside the Stripe dashboard, look toward the top right corner and click the gear icon to open the settings menu. This section contains all of the configuration tools needed to customize your account and hosted checkout pages. Inside the settings area, locate and open the business section. From there, select branding from the top. This page includes a live preview area so you can immediately see how your changes will appear to customers during checkout. You will first have the option to upload an icon or a logo. Transparent PNG or SVG files often provide the cleanest results because they scale nicely across different devices and backgrounds. Horizontal or wider logos usually fit better in this section. Once the logos look correct, move on to customizing your brand and accent colors. The main brand color usually controls primary elements such as buttons, highlights, and key interface sections, while accent colors are used for supporting details throughout the checkout experience. When selecting colors, pay attention to readability and contrast. Buttons, links, and important text should stand out clearly against the background, especially for customers using mobile devices. As you continue adjusting the design, monitor the live preview on the side of the screen. This helps you quickly identify problems such as colors that are too bright, poor text visibility, or logos that feel misaligned, and that's it. So that's basically how you can customize branding in Stripe checkout. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.